Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. We've got a nice lidded vegetable tureen, 1930s, 1940s, and these ones always get people looking at China that don't have an enormous knowledge of them going, because they're usually unmarked, and this is not an exception to that. Just look, absolutely nothing on the base. But I know from handling these and this pattern over the last couple of decades that this is Alfred Meakin, and the design is bleu de roi. Made for a long period of time in a variety of different styles and shapes, but this is the sort of flat urn design with its scroll handles with the lovely moulding and the gilt detailing, as you can see. And then nicest bit is actually the lidded handle on this. Just look at that detailing with that quadruple pointed scroll button handle on the top. Always worth just checking they've not been glued back on, because it's well hidden, the recess in those lids. This one's in perfect nick, and the other place that tends to go on these is around the inner rim, but this one's in really nice condition. Just a little decorator's pattern reference 998 there in gilt. Can you see that? If I put it in front of the camera you will see that, 998. Very rare to find that, but this is a really nice example of one. Just spotted somebody's dropped some emulsion paint on this one, which we will remove before selling it. Quite often the case that the decoration's done around the china rather than putting it away. There, it's removed completely, just emulsion. I think there's a bit more there that will come off. But otherwise, this one's in really nice condition. The gilt's not been overworn. The blue rim round here is in fine condition, and these little scroll decorations again, absolutely fine. All the measurements will be on the website. Quite a rare piece to find in really good condition. I think there was 2 or 3 of these coming through in the lot we bought to get. Actually, we bought this to get a single sauce tureen saucer plate, which we owed a very patient gentleman in America who we sent an original set to. And unfortunately, the saucer plate arrived in 2 pieces rather than the one as it was sent. So that's going off to America. And this is a sort of additional purchase buy from the lot of the bleu de roi that came through auction this morning at our local auction house. Been looking for about 9 months for this. It's not that rare, to be honest. Lots of this was made. It was a very popular design, but finding it now when you're looking for a piece is really, really difficult, as increasingly is the case with these early or mid-century pieces of English china. So, going on sale on the website. As I say, we'll put a link in the description. Follow that if you'd like to get all the measurements and further details and a little bit of the history of Alfred Meakin and particularly bleu de roi. Thanks for watching.